Hey guys, Al Spence here for Gulf Coast Custom Models. Quick update on this 60 Ford Starliner. That's it in the background, that 4-back pick. Here it is, black. Got most of the chrome trim on. The side, the little buttons up and down, coming around the back of the fins. Give you an idea there. Okay, here's the chassis. It's separate from the interior pan. Kind of cool. I think he wants his inner rims, these thrush, painted gray. I gotta get with him on that. Bobby, if you see this, fire me an email, man. You want these inner hubcaps black or you want them grayed? Or both. It don't, it's as wide as it is long to me, son. You got your white headers, got your 2-barrel carb, engine's wired up, battery cables coming up. It's got factory traction bars. Here, I thought I'd do this before because this is gonna move fast when I button this up, guys. It's coming around the bend right now. There's your interior. Seatbelt's in. Made him a tachometer or elevated one. Wood grain wheel, 4-speed. But this concept is this sits down on it like that. So your chassis mounts underneath the bottom. So, but that's her coming along. The body, I don't like to put the body on and off like this. You got to pull the edges, the sidings off on the body, pull them apart to get it to seat down on it. And I don't like to do that until I'm ready to really mount it. So, to give you an idea, kind of a mock-up, they call it a mock-up, temporary seating, whatever. But yeah, once I get this rocketing, man, the glass goes in, this thing will move, and in the next video, she's going to be done. Hopefully, Sunday night, the latest. Got to do my grandson a truck. He found my 99 Silverado in there. I was kind of just hanging on to. I'm not one to collect dust. I get a brand new one, I bust it open. It don't matter to me. I build them. I don't collect and make them dust racks. So I'm a builder. But that's that Starliner. If you guys decide you want her, it's got what's called lake pipes that come down the side pipes. He don't want them on. He wants the open headers. It would have been a super stock class type car. So that's what we're going with. That's why I noted, if you didn't notice, I got the small 14-inch slicks on the back. Open headers. So that's kind of that, okay? Anyways, Al Spence here for Gulf Coast Custom Models on your 1964 Starliner Custom by AMT. Hey, AMT. Yeah, not made in America anymore. Anywho, I'll do a video on that Chevy Silverado, the 99. It's going to be bright red. He likes it red, so black interior, red body. So, but I got most of that painted, man, so it won't take long. Then I got to get on a couple projects. I think I'm going to do that Snake and Mongoose double set. The Snake Monza funny car, and I got the Snake 72 yellow feather top fuel dragster, the rear engine. And I also got the twin kit of the Mongoose. I think it's the Duster. I don't think it's the Coot. I think it's the Duster and his rear engine funny dragster in that. Tom McEwen. So, everybody say, I'd save that. I don't save it, man. I don't save it. I build them. So I think I'm going to do those and maybe like a diorama with the two funny cars lined up on the front and top fuel dragsters behind it or something like that. Anyways, I got a call coming in. I'll talk to you guys later. Leave me a thumbs up or down there. Comments are appreciated, as always. Share this if you want. Send it to your old friend and old buddy that might have had one of these old 60s back in the day. Nice kit. Very detailed, guys. You'll like it if you do it. So anyways, I'll talk to you later. You guys have a great weekend, man. Be safe. I'll talk to you later. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.